So in today's video, we're going to be looking at automation, filters, and effects. So we're going to head straight to today's assignment and open that in the studio. The first thing we want to know about is automation. So automation is in digital music when we change a factor about the music. We're going to be focusing on volume. So if I want to change the volume in my song, I'm going to use automation to control that. So the button here, our little automation button, will give us this dotted line. So currently that's the volume. Our track stays at the same volume for the whole entire song. But if I decide that I actually want to have it fade in at the start of the song, so I want it to start quiet and then get louder, I can do that using automation. So every time you add a little dot to your line, it gives BandLab a different point where you can change something about the volume. So I might want to start by dragging it down, so that's going to make it quieter. And then we can see this line going up is telling BandLab to slowly dial up that volume. And then once our volume is at that top line, it stays loud. So we should be able to listen to this song in BandLab and listen to how it starts quiet, then gets louder, and then stays loud. So let's listen to that. So we could definitely hear how it started soft, then it got louder and louder, and then it stayed at that same volume. So I can change the automation at any point in my song. If I wanted to do a fade out at the end of my song, I could just add some more dots. I just create the dots by clicking on the line, and I'm going to drag this dot down all the way to the bottom so that at the end of my song, it just fades out. It gets quieter and quieter until it gets to nothing. So let's listen to that. So now I want you to have a practice at automating or changing the volume in your song. So go to this automation button. That'll create your dotted line where you can change your volume throughout your song.